everyone, on this occasion, allow me to make an introduction about who I am. My name is Indah Humairah, you can call me Indah. I'm 70 years old, I was born on January 11, 2003. I come from Bima City. My favorite food is meatball and my favorite drink is Thai tea. I am the second of 4 children, I have one brother and 2 sisters. My father is a famous tailor in Bima City and my mother is a teacher. Talking about my hobbies, I like reading novels. If I have spare time, I always take the time to read novels. Now my novel collection is quite large. I graduated from Mataram University majoring in law. I majored in law because my dream from childhood was to become a lawyer. Now I work at Budi Jaja and Associates Law Firm, South Jakarta. The law firm I work for is an independent Indonesian law firm and the only Indonesian law firm that is a member of TechLaw, an international alliance of more than 140 independent law firms located in about 85 countries. This company often handles cases in banking, capital market, commercial dispute resolution, business competition, industrial relation, environment and natural resources, investment, and international trade, custom, as well as taxation and so on. The company claims to have staff who can speak Indonesian, English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and Italian. Yes, I'm a lawyer. I work from Monday to Friday starting at 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. That is a measure of office hours only, while lawyers' working hours in the office are 24 hours non-stop every day and at any time for lawyers who are handling cases. While those who do not handle cases will certainly follow the workflow according to normal office work. One of the famous Indonesian lawyers who motivates me is Hotman Paris. The success he has achieved has inspired many people, including me. He is the most expensive lawyer in Indonesia. I want to be like him, famous and successful with his lawyer career. He also always wins big cases. His clients mostly come from the upper class, but Hotman Paris also often defends the poor. He is the person who inspires me. Hopefully, my career as a lawyer can be like him. Someone who is successful and lives in luxury, buying expensive watches, diamond rings to buying cars at exorbitant prices. To be a successful lawyer, I have a few tips, namely the first one must have good communication skills. Because indeed the quality of a lawyer is seen from his experience in dealing with various legal cases. So, if you also want to become a lawyer like me, you have to learn how to communicate well with clients, society, and judges. Communication is also not only a matter of speaking but also through writing. A lawyer must be able to write clearly and must also be a good listener to be able to understand the case. The second tip is to be able to control emotion and be patient when deciding to become a lawyer. You must be prepared to be faced with many arguments and even teeth, which of course can evoke your mood. Therefore, you must be able to control your emotion and also have to be extra patient, especially if the case is complicated enough that it will take months to solve. The third tip is to be creative in every action. You will have to think extra hard to find the best solution and result for the client. If a lawyer does not have a creative mindset, he will be easily attacked, which can even corner the situation. Those are some tips from me if you want to be a great lawyer. And that's all for the introduction about me and my work. Thank you for your attention.